guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Dart, but what we'll be doing guys, we'll work on many vehicles with a 2.4 engine guys. If you have the 2.4 Multiair engine guys, it's been used on Dodge Dart, Jeep Cherokee, Jeep Compass, Jeep Renegade guys. Also it's been used on Chrysler 200 and Fiat 500X. Stay with us and we'll show you guys how to remove and replace the alternator. We'll explain what needs to be done from start to finish guys, so you can expect how to do it. We guys have more than 200 videos on this engine and this car alone guys, and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video guys, leave a comment below and let us know if the video was helpful or if you have any questions. That way we can make a video for your problem. Let's start on it now. So as you can see, this is a 2.4 engine. It's been used on so many cars guys. Alternator, okay, this is your alternator right here. We have the air filter box removed here and the engine mount. Why we did that? Because we'll have to remove the serpentine belt. Now you can practically do it without removing the engine mount, and if you want to see, the video is on the channel how to do it. But if you remove the engine mount, you have to support your engine with a jack and a jack stand underneath, so make sure that the engine doesn't go anywhere, because if you have your fingers here and the engine falls off the jack or the jack stand, it's going to smash your hands guys. So now practically you can do it without removing the engine mount. That's why we didn't video it on this part, but if you want to see the video guys, it's on the channel. We need to remove the serpentine belt, okay, and this is your tensioner right here. So stay with us and we'll show you how to do that now. So first we're going to disconnect the car battery, because you don't want to remove the alternator with the car battery connected, because you can short things out, catch your car on fire. So remove, usually you remove guys the negative first on vehicles, okay, negative cable first. So I would recommend to use gloves when you work with the battery, because acid from the battery can severely burn your fingers. Okay, one nut right here for the positive now. Okay, perfect. Now I want to ensure that those are not touching, so very important, the positive guys to be insulated, to make sure it doesn't touch somehow. Okay, and we can continue with the next step now. So you can see how much of a clearance you have here. You cannot get a ratchet guys, you can use a wrench. I can fit an offset box wrench. All the tools and parts that we use will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out guys. So I get a 16 millimeter offset box wrench guys, and right here I'm going to go counterclockwise and it will release the pressure of the belt, okay, and I can pull it from the alternator, okay, you can see like that. So from that point on I can remove the rest of the belt. Okay, that's now a little bit tricky. I would recommend guys to put a new belt every time you do that job. You can just go ahead and reuse yours, but I'll definitely recommend to go ahead actually and install a new belt as well. So you just need to get it out of the tensioner pulley now, okay, right here. So you remove it on the back, goes towards the water pump. After that goes to the crankshaft pulley and the AC compressor. We'll have the diagram guys on the channel how to put it together if you need help with that later. Okay, all that will be there. So okay, you can see the belt guys came out, okay, like that. Now we can continue with the next step. So now guys, okay, with the belt out of the way, we can remove the alternator. Battery is already disconnected, so we don't need to worry about that, but always make sure that the car battery is disconnected. So what we'll be doing now, okay, this, okay, let's come, okay, like that. Okay, perfect. This bolt I'll leave it for last, because that's the easiest. You have two on the bottom that you need to remove with a 13 millimeter socket. Okay, one is, okay, so I don't know what I'll be using. Let me see. I'll need to get a small extension for one of them. Okay, maybe for both of them short extension, because I cannot get the ratchet in. So I got a small extension, guys, so I can get in there. Okay, this is one of the bolts. So usually when you get them loose, they don't go so hard. Okay, so you might be able to remove them by hand in some cases, not always. If you guys want to see any specific videos on this engine car, guys, let us know. Okay, we'll try to make it for you. Okay, eventually the bolt will come out. It goes by hand and then it stops. They always have like one spot that's a little bit harder to turn for some reason. And it's such a limited room that you cannot even get your hands in there because that AC tube is in the way. Okay, eventually it will come out, guys, sometime today. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's going by hand now. Let's see how long that thing is. That's why I want to leave the last bolt, the top one, because it can hold the alternator, because otherwise it will drop on that bolt. Okay, the AC pipe, it's hitting a little bit of the AC pipe, so I'll try to just move it a little bit. Okay, it came out. This is the bolt, that's how long it is. Now we have one more, guys. The other side, remember? Okay, this one right there. So I'll go ahead. Okay, get this one loose. Okay, this one is going a little bit harder than the other one. And then it starts going easy. Hopefully it doesn't stop again. Yep, it did. So I'll go ahead and remove it, guys, and we'll continue. So finally, I got it out. Okay, guys, you can see another long bolt, pretty long. So now we just have the one on top here. Okay, let me just remove the extension, just with a 13mm socket. Okay, and those bolts are pretty tight, guys. The last one, easy thing. The alternator may drop some, so you may have to hold it with your hand, otherwise, okay, it can be hanging on the bolt and it can make it hard to remove that bolt. So I'll try to move it a little bit, but it doesn't help. So I'll just have to slowly, guys, remove that bolt as well. Okay, we are almost there now. Okay, another bolt out. Now we have to disconnect the wiring harness in the back. We have, okay, one clip, small clip. Okay, that red thing. Okay, guys, this red thing needs to be pulled back, so let me grab a screwdriver quick. Okay, that red thing needs to be pulled back so we can disconnect the wire. This is like a safety pin. Okay, you can see. Now press down right here. You press down and you're supposed to pull it out, but this thing will be stuck big time. I almost hit it out and pushed it in. Okay, you can see it's right here. Now we have one cap here that we need to remove. That nut usually so just remove that nut now, guys, with the 13mm. Okay, this is the charging wire that goes to the car battery. So that's why we had to disconnect the car battery. Otherwise, guys, if you touch that positive wire somewhere on the engine body, you're going to burn. Okay, you see sparks, you can burn fuses, you can burn your engine computer, you can set your car on fire, so you have to be careful. Now I'm ready to pull that alternator out now. Okay, you can see it came out just like that now. This is, guys, the alternator. If you need to buy a replacement one, guys, we'll have the link in the description of the video below so you can see where you can purchase one from. So putting it together, guys, it's in reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.